You read the title, so you know what it is. Let's get into it. As the title suggests, I am going to be trying to change or make this seat look a little better. So I just installed this CNC Riders front and rear seat. The only thing about it, the white stitching. Like, yeah, it visually looks okay, but obviously white's gonna get dirty over time, and it doesn't really go with the grand scheme of the bike, like with all the everything blacked out, the bronze tank and stuff. So today I'm gonna attempt to dye the threading on the seat to see if I can make it look a little better. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do about the silver buttons, or not the silver, but the chrome buttons, whatever color you want to call these. The chrome buttons that go all the way around. I'll probably do a little bit of digging around, see if I can't come up with something. I could probably tape everything off, sand the buttons and paint them black or something. I don't know. Maybe if you got some ideas, put those down in the comments if I haven't fixed it by the end of this video. So I went to the fabric store, picked up a couple different like bronze, copper pins. These are fabric dye pins, and then as a last resort, I've got black. So I figure I can try the bronze first, see what the threading looks like after that, and then if I still don't like it, I always go black, and then just black out all the threading altogether, and I think that'll look a whole lot better. So I guess no further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this. Probably, I don't know which one. I think I'm going to take these two and color these seams here. Color one color and color the other maybe, or well, maybe I might do it down here so it's like I've already done the black because I had the black first, but then I was like, hey, let's see if I couldn't find some bronze. But so I'll probably do a couple of each just to see. Do a couple of each color, see what it looks like, and make a decision from there. Oh, got a couple things here. We tried coloring a few different spots a few different ways. So here, this has been colored. I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but that's been colored. Added some color up here to kind of see against the tank. As you can tell, this is kind of bright. So it's a lot lighter color than I was hoping for. So I think I'm going to try with the black marker to do some threads and then go over top with the bronze and see how that does. But it's not looking promising. It's looking like I'm going to have to go black altogether. But also on these pins, the tip is blunt. So that makes it really hard to just get the thread. So what I did was take a pair of scissors and kind of trimmed it to a point so to make it a little easier to color just the threads, because trying to wipe it after you color the threads, then you're spreading color everywhere, and yeah, so this is an extremely tedious job. So let's try out this other method and see what it looks like. All right guys, well, I tried that and that is the result. It looks a little closer to this, but end of the day, in person, I still don't think it looks very good. So I'm probably just gonna set y'all up on time lapse as I go ahead and dye the rest of the stitching, and then show y'all the after. As you can tell, if you see, it's hot out here. I'm sweating. So I got it all done. As you can See on time lapse. I think it looks a whole lot better. I'm gonna move this out into the sunlight. Some of these fabric dyes need to be heat pressed for them to actually sit in so they don't wash out. I'm not sure on this one. It says no ironing needed, but I'm just gonna move out to sunlight and give y'all a better view of what it looks like. And yeah, I'm gonna film myself back here in the garage because that sun is bright. So let's see here. It's kind of hard to see, but I think overall it looks good. I think it actually takes away those buttons a little bit, so they don't quite stand out as bad. Maybe it's because it's a darker seat now and those buttons are the only contrast rather than having the stitches and the buttons. But I'm still curious to see what y'all think, so be sure to comment below and let me know on suggestions on those buttons, because I don't know what I'm still on the fence on what I exactly want to do. But be on the lookout for a review video of this CNC rider seat. I'll probably ride it for a month or so, and in that video I will give an update on the threads, because I might have to re-dye them if the color fades. But I think that's going to be it for this one. Be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time.